Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to import from Excel in ClickUp. So before exporting, format your Excel sheet to ensure ClickUp reads the information correctly. So make sure the first row of your sheet contains clear column headers, as you can see right here. Clean up your dates so they are uniform, so that you have year, month, day, or month, day, year, something like that. Then ensure every row has a text value under the task name column, and because ClickUp cannot create a blank task. Now what you're going to do is save your Excel sheet as a CSV file. So we will go here to the file and then select the save as. Now what you're going to do is click here on browse, and yeah, we will find here this um, it will open up, and now we need just find where we want to save this. Okay, so let's say I want to save it right here in downloads. Now what we are going to do is save as a type, and I will change here to the CCV. So comma delimiter, it can be so like this one, comma delimited. Okay, and just click save. All right, now what we are going to do is navigate to the data import setting inside ClickUp workspace. So click your profile avatar or workspace setting icon in the top right corner of the app, and select settings from the drop down menu. So find here settings. All right. Um, Click on import export in the left hand sidebar menu. So right here we have import and export tab right over here. And now what we are going to do is, okay, from here what we are going to do is select spreadsheet. Now we will select location, so I will go with marketing. This location is here in ClickUp. Then we have choose the format of your dates, so I will go with day, month, and year, but you can choose from 4 of these options. Now choose the delimiter for multi-value fields, so we saved as a comma delimiter, so leave it like that, but you can change semicolon, pipe, other. Now click continue. Okay, what you're going to do now is here upload file. As you already know, we will go here and then we will find comma separator, this one, and click OK. Now it's extracting our CSV file, and we will see what will happen. Okay, so the import wizard will show a preview of your spreadsheet here. So you must tell ClickUp which Excel column matches which ClickUp field. And yeah, look at your first column header, so that you can combine this thing. So project name, compile and so project name we have here like so. Yes. So just hover over and you will see here at the right side what's going on, like a preview. If it's everything okay, click on continue. So now you will see something like that, and yeah, you can import into ClickUp. And yeah, this is pretty much what you can do. Here is the review now, and yeah, you can you can see import users and ClickUp users. And yeah, when you're done with that, just click on complete and you will have your CSV file into ClickUp. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next